This next trick is a dice prediction trick. I'm going to require my assistant Anna to come and join us again. Hi Anna.
Hi.
Okay, today we've got some dice. What we're going to do is we're going to try and predict what number on the hidden side of the dice is. Okay, now what that means is, for instance, at the moment you can't see the bottom of that dice because that's the number 4, but it's face down. Okay, now what I want you to do is place all these dices on top of each other in any order you want, any number you wish, and if we were to add up the hidden sides of all those dice, I think I could predict your number.
Okay.
Okay, now, so basically you're going to lay them up like this, and so we're going to be able to dump, and then we're going to cover up so I can't see it. So, why don't you put I'm going to turn away, put those dices in a stack so that I can't see the hidden dice.
Okay.
You done that?
Yeah.
Oh, look up on top, look on top.
Okay.
Okay. Right, so I'm going to try and make a prediction. Okay, I've got an idea. I think the number we're going to get is going to be, I'm going to fold this paper over. Okay, let's have a look at the hidden sides. We're going to take the cup off. So the first hidden side you can see here is this one, it's the number 2. So if I leave that there, it's number 2. That side is 2 because that was covered up as well. This side is a 5. So we'll put that there. And what number is that?
1.
A 1. And the 1 on the bottom is a
6.
6. Okay, so let's add up these numbers. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 5 is 9, plus 1 is 10, add 6 is 16. Is that right?
Yep.
Let's see what number I predicted.
16.
16. Thank you. I'll let you go sit back down. This is a cool dice prediction trick. It can be done with any dice whatsoever. I'll let you go over there because you're going to need it. It can be done with any dice. There's nothing forced or special about it. The interesting thing that you need to know is that every side of the dice will add to 7. So for instance, on this dice it's a 4 on this side. On the opposite side is 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7. For instance, on the side for the 5, on the opposite side is a 2, that equals 7, and 6 add to 1 is also 7. That is the same for all dice across the world. Now, this trick will work with any hidden dice, and you can repeat the trick and end up with a completely different number the second time you do it. So even though you know those add up to 7, it still wouldn't tell you how to do this trick just yet. What you're going to do is take the 3 dice, place them onto the table, or have your spectator place them onto the table any way they wish. What you're going to do is make a note of that top number. That top number on this dice at the moment is 3. Now I know that 7 plus 7 plus 7, which is the 3 side of the dice, would equal 21. I know that top number is 3. So what I do is I do 21 minus 3, and I know that all the hidden sides here will add up to 18. Okay? So if we were to change it again, this time the top number is 6. 6 there. So if I do 21 minus 6, I know that the number that's hidden is going to be number 15. I'll just prove that to you. So I think it's going to be number 15. The hidden side there is 1, plus 3, plus 4, plus 2, plus 5. And we have 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The total of that equals 15. So the math is perfect. Any way that these dice are placed, as long as you make a note of that top number, you deduct that number from 21, and that will be the answer to all the hidden sides. So how do you get this top number? And why is the cup involved? Well, the cup is involved just so people don't think you can see that top number. Because if they don't think you see that top number, there's no way you could possibly know the number anyway. How did I get the top number? Well, I asked her to place these dice into any order she wished. And then I asked if she was finished, and she said yes. So I turned around, but I noticed the cup wasn't back on the dice. I know this because I didn't tell her to put the cup back on the dice, but I suggested it in a movement which she later thought was just her mistake. But when I turned around, I saw the top dice and I saw what number it was. I then turned back around and said, oh, sorry, put the cup on the dice so I can't see it. There it is. She didn't know I saw the top dice, she didn't think anything of it, but it allowed me to see the top dice to make my calculation in my head. I could then do the prediction, lift up the cup, do the whole mathematics, and I had the right number at the end, which was number 16 for her case. So this is a trick that you can do. Just find any free dice. You again might need to raid some of those old Monopoly sets to get some extra dice. Risk is a great game, has lots of dice in it, so you might be able to borrow some of them. And you can perform this trick as many times as you wish. There's a combination of 6 different numbers to be chosen because of the variation of the dice. So you could repeat this trick in theory 6 times and have completely different outcomes for all 6 times. I hope you enjoy it and have fun with it.